So following on from the half square triangles that we started with, we're now going to move on to quarter square triangles. And you can see here on these two blocks that I've got in front of me, the quarter square triangles that we're going to focus on today. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our half square triangles and we're going to create our quarter square triangles from them. And the way that we do this is we take both of our squares that we've got here and we align them so that the darker side of the fabric sits on opposite sides and the seam in the middle is butted up against each other. The difference with the size in a quarter square triangle to a half square triangle is the fact that we really need to ensure that we maintain the right size quarters all the way round our block, because otherwise it's going to look a bit wonky if we chop off one side more than the other.